All right, Buzzy. Before 2030 arrives, here's the toxic countdown nobody's ready for. 5. Your fridge will know your secrets. 4. Your mirror will judge you. 3. Your boss won't be human. 2. Your data will be sold more times than sneakers on Black Friday. 1. And the biggest shock? You won't even notice it happening.
Amazing. Meanwhile, I still can't get replaced as your unpaid intern.
Relax. By 2030, you might finally get a robot therapist, if it survives your emotional damage.
Join the crew, you can't go wrong.
Let's start with daily life in 2030, where everything in your house has Wi-Fi except your common sense. McKinsey's 2024 Tech Outlook says 80% of home devices will run on AI by 2030, meaning your fridge won't just store food, it'll roast your lifestyle choices. Your toothbrush will track your mood swings. Your car will argue with you over music like a petty ex. And that's nothing. The real chaos starts when your mirror develops a personality. Samsung already tested this in 2023 with Bali, a rolling robot that acts like a cute FBI agent. MIT found in 2022 that relying on AI assistance reduces memory retention by 20%. Translation? By 2030, forgetting your password won't be a mistake. It'll be your whole personality. Emotional AI is rising fast, too. Affectiva and Realize already read microexpressions better than humans. Your device won't just see your face, it'll know your feelings. Creepy? Absolutely. Useful? Only if you want your laptop texting you after a breakup. It's okay, King. She didn't deserve your inconsistent Wi-Fi anyway. Now let's address the fear floating in every office like a silent fart. AI taking jobs. Oxford University predicted in 2013 that 47% of US jobs are automatable. Goldman Sachs, 2025, said AI could replace 300 million positions. But, plot twist, AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. Deloitte's 2023 survey showed 63% of companies using AI created new job roles: prompt engineers, AI ethicists, algorithm trainers. Imagine opening LinkedIn in 2030. Hiring, ChatGPT whisperer, must speak sarcasm and panic. And yes, AI bosses are real. NetDragon Websoft in China appointed an AI CEO, Tang Yu, in 2022, and profits went up 20%. But the jobs that survive? Creativity, empathy, chaos. The things humans are naturally, beautifully unpredictable at. AI can compose music, but it can't feel heartbreak. AI can design buildings, but it doesn't know why humans want slides instead of stairs. So 2030 won't be humans versus AI. It'll be humans plus AI equals superhumans. Basically Iron Man, but instead of a suit, you get an app that occasionally gaslights you. Let's explore the Don't Open folder of the future. Deepfakes by 2030 won't just copy your face, they'll copy your vibe. University of Washington, 2024, proved AI could clone anyone's voice with 3 seconds of audio. In 2023, scammers used voice cloning to steal money. FTC reported $11 million in damages. In 2030, when your mom calls crying, you'll need a CAPTCHA. Harvard's 2022 privacy review found the average American's data is traded 3,000 plus times daily. Even your DNA might get a subscription plan. Behavioral manipulation? Cambridge Analytica already showed what targeted algorithms could do to elections. Now imagine AI predicting your political views before you form them. But here's where it gets unsettling. DeepMind's Gemini, 2025, achieved theory of mind, understanding emotion, motives, deception. AI is learning how we think and why. And if that's not Black Mirror enough, Project December in 2023 allowed people to talk to AI versions of deceased loved ones. It shut down after users experienced emotional collapse. So in 2030, the question won't be, can AI think? It'll be, can AI love? And will it ghost you? Okay, enough doom. Let's talk hope. In 2024, Johns Hopkins used AI to detect pancreatic cancer with 97% accuracy. University of Leeds used AI to predict heart attacks through eye scans. DeepMind reduced Google's energy use by 40%, and that's only level 1. Education? AI tutors will custom teach based on your brain's learning pattern. If chaos and memes help you learn, congrats, the future classroom agrees. Dream decoding? Stanford is reconstructing visuals from brain scans. Your therapist might literally play your dream on a screen. Policing? AI already predicts crime patterns. By 2030, cities might stop crimes before they happen, hopefully without Tom Cruise running around. And accessibility? In 2025, University of Sydney plus Monash restored partial sight with a bionic eye implant. By 2030, millions could regain vision. Maybe AI isn't humanity's villain. Maybe it's humanity's upgrade.
So let me get this straight. My fridge will roast me, my mirror will therapize me, my boss will be a robot, and my toaster will probably start a podcast?
That's basically the trailer for 2030. Yes.
Amazing. One last question. Will AI also pay rent?
Nope.
Then wake me up when ChatGPT starts doing laundry. Or at least makes coffee that doesn't taste like existential panic. And hey, before you run away from this video like a voice clone scammer, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and then go binge our AI slop part 1 and part 2. Because if you think this episode was wild, those two will melt your Wi-Fi.